Take a look at this gorgeous interior out of a 1967 Mercedes SEL 300. It's been completely refinished and restored with that high gloss finish on there. These parts have been through many steps. A lot of people don't understand what it takes to do a job like this, but they have been sanded many times to get them to this point of finish. Then they were put through 20 coats of clear coat to get that high gloss thick clear on them, and then they were sanded with 4 different levels of sandpaper, wet sanded, and then finally buffed 3 to 4 different times to get that shine that you see. So this is what we do at Craft Customs. We work on every different vehicle, old to new, and this is going to really top off. Our customer is a company who's doing the restoration on this, so it's really going to top off their restoration project for this customer. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com or give us a call at 214-564-1170 if there's anything we can do for you on any make or model of vehicle. You're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.